every day, English is happening all around you, on signs, on menus, in text messages, in conversations overheard on the bus, and most English courses ignore all of it. Not this one. Welcome to English in the Wild, where we find real English in the real world and figure out exactly what it means, why it works, and how you can start using it yourself. I'm Sarah, and today's episode starts with a sign on a broken coffee machine. 3 words, out of order. Now, if you look those words up one by one in a dictionary, you might think out of order, like something is outside of its correct sequence. Maybe a numbered list that got jumbled up, and you wouldn't be completely wrong. But that is not what this sign means. In the wild, out of order means broken, not working, unavailable, a lift, a ticket machine, a public toilet, a coffee machine on a Monday morning, which, let's be honest, is a genuine emergency. This is what linguists call an idiom, a phrase where the meaning cannot be guessed from the individual words alone. And English is absolutely full of them. Here's where it gets really interesting, though, because out of order actually has 3 different meanings in everyday English. And native speakers switch between them constantly. Meaning number 1. Something is broken or not functioning. For example, the escalator is out of order. Meaning number 2, something is not in the correct sequence. For example, these pages are out of order. Page 5 comes before page 3. And meaning number 3, this one surprises a lot of learners. It means someone has behaved in a way that is socially unacceptable. Rude, inappropriate, out of line. For example, did you really say that to her? That is completely out of order. This third meaning is especially common in British English. If you watch British television, a soap opera, a panel show, a drama, you will hear it constantly. So, 1 phrase, 3 meanings, context is everything. Now let's make sure this is sticking. I'm going to give you 3 sentences, and I want you to think about which meaning of out of order is being used. Pause if you need thinking time. Ready? Sentence 1, the elevator's out of order, so we'll have to take the stairs. Which meaning is that? That's meaning 1, broken, not functioning, the classic use. Sentence 2, these files are all out of order and someone has mixed them up. That's meaning 2, wrong sequence, good. Sentence 3, he showed up 2 hours late and didn't even apologize, honestly, completely out of order. And that is meaning 3, socially unacceptable, very British, very expressive. Now, here's something important. The goal of English in the wild is not just to understand a phrase when you see it, it's to use it naturally, confidently in the right moment. So let's look at where you'll actually encounter this one. On signs and notices, out of order is everywhere. Airports, gyms, offices, car parks. If you see it on a machine, don't queue. It's broken. In conversation, especially in British and Australian English, that third meaning, the social one, is really common. You might hear it in an argument, in football commentary, in an office complaint. And one more thing, native speakers often shorten it. Instead of out of order, they'll simply say down. The machine is down, the website is down, the system is down. Down is the informal, everyday alternative. Same idea, different register. And learning the whole family of expressions around one phrase, that is how you start to sound fluent, not just correct. So next time you walk past a broken ticket machine, lift that won't open, or a colleague who says something they really shouldn't, you'll know exactly what to call it. Out of order. That's English in the Wild, episode 1. Every episode, one real piece of language found in the world, pulled apart, and handed back to you. If you spotted any English in the Wild this week, a sign, a phrase, something that confused you, drop it in the comments. It might just become a future episode. I'm Sarah. See you in the wild.